Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Thursday update. Today is January 10th. As per usual, this is a series I will sort of show you behind the scenes that you get to see from us at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.